What's going on, everybody? I got a 2016 Kia Sedona. The guy say the engine light is on, so let's see what's going on with the vehicle. Plug up the OBD scanner. All right. I'm gonna go into the Kia side. It don't feel like too many problems. I don't feel no vibration. It don't feel like no misfires or nothing. Then I'm automatic detection. Use USA, so that's a 2016 Sedona. I'm gonna do the system selection. I'm gonna check the ECM part of the scanner. Let me see if we got any codes. Read the trouble codes. Okay, it's coming up with a p0660. Okay, that's the intake manifold turning valve control circuit on bank 1. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go underneath the hood. Leave the scanner right here, go underneath the hood real fast. See what's going on with it. One second, y'all. All right, the truck just came from the dealership. And let me look. Intake manifold, it look like. Okay, that's plugged up the vacuum line on that one. Intake manifold. Make sure everything. I see the vacuum lines, everything plugged up. What about this one? Vacuum line. Okay, that's one in the front. Oh, I see it, y'all. Okay, I guess they left this unplugged. They probably made a mistake, so it's triggering the intake manifold runner. So I'm gonna plug it back up. Perfect. Okay, let me scan everything else. Okay, this is an easy fix, y'all. So 2016 Kia Sedona. I'm out here in the rain. If you guys see any codes, p0661 intake manifold runner. On this one is just because the dealership left, probably made a mistake and didn't plug it back up. So I'm gonna go back into the front and I'm gonna erase the codes and see what it popped back up, you guys. All right. So come on back to the front. All right, so p0660. Sorry about that. So if anybody ever see a p0660 code, intake manifold turning valve, check and make sure that it's plugged up. So we're gonna go ahead and erase the code. So it say clear the trouble code. Okay, all the codes, clear fault codes, success. Let me make sure on the dash that it's gone. Yes, so the engine light is also gone. Come on back down to the scanner, press OK. Let me read it one more time. Read the fault trouble codes, no trouble codes. Okay, you guys, it was just a mistake. Somebody forgot to plug something else. Somebody forgot to plug something up. So always check all your connections and make sure everything is plugged up. All right. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.